Today, take a look at the YIYEIE torque adapter extension set. I really like that we got this foam insert with it. It's very nice, and it even has slots in there so we can fit our fingers in. So we are looking at about 2 inches off center for these. So that's going to make for a nice, easy calculation. They are all 3/8 drive, but we also have adapters if you want to use a 1/2 inch or a 1/4 inch torque wrench. We can see on the drive that they are drilled out on both sides, so we can line it up with the detent. They are 12-point open-end wrenches. They are labeled YIYEIE on one side and 13/16 chrome moly denim on the other side. So the thing about torque wrenches is the length matters. So if we were to put this on, this will add some length. So because foot-pounds is 1 foot from this pivot point, apply 1 pound of weight, that is 1 foot-pound. So if you extend this out, that is going to increase the torque, and that will offset the reading. So the easy way to get around that is we just rotate it to the right or to the left, and that is a common workaround. If you do want to calculate it, we would take the length to the center. So we're going to say about 10 inches, then add 2 inches to that. So that's 12 inches. We'll divide that by the length of the torque wrench again. So 12 divided by 10, that is 1.2. So whatever number we set this at, make sure we multiply that by 1.2, and that will be the correct torque that is applied at the nut. So you can do that every time, or you can just rotate it to be in line. And it's not always going to be 1.2 because different torque wrenches have different lengths. So the main benefit of this is that where a torque wrench with a socket on it is going to take up quite a bit of room, with something like this, it is only going to take up that much room. So you're going to be able to fit this in a much tighter spot. You'll be able to fit the torque wrench with a socket on it. So this is the SAE set. Everything on here is labeled. So we got 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, and 7/8. So everything from a 5/16 up to the 7/8, all the way down to the 16th. So this is a very complete set. Cool. That's it. Overall, that is a very neat adapter kit.